Good afternoon, dear children. Today I am going to explain you about the means of transportation and the occupation of the people of Greenland from SST chapter 4. So let us start, children. First we will study about the means of transportation in the Greenland. On the land, the Eskimos use sledges to travel from one place to another. So on the land, Eskimos, they use sledges to travel from one place to another. Yesterday I have explained you about the Eskimos. They are the original inhabitant of the Greenland. So they use sledges to travel from one place to another on the land. जमीन पे वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए स्लेजेस को यूज करते हैं. These sledges are wheelless carts. So sledges, they are the wheelless carts. वो बिना wheels के carts होते हैं. They are pulled by reindeer or group of dogs called huskies. So how the sledges are pulled? वो कैसे खींचे जाते हैं sledges? So they are pulled by reindeer or groups of dogs called huskies. उनके द्वारा वो खींचे जाते हैं. Sledges are also used to carry hunted animals and other goods. So sledges are also used to carry hunted animal and other goods. दूसरा सामान और hunted animal को भी ले जाने के लिए sledges use होते हैं. But now modern modes of traveling have come into vogue. So nowadays people use modern means of traveling. Traveling के जो आधुनिक साधन हैं उनको लोग आजकल use करते हैं. Greenland has become more accessible to the most of the world due to aeroplanes and helicopter. Greenland is well connected with the cities of the Europe and North America through air service. So now what happened? Greenland has become more accessible to the most of the world. अभी Greenland बहुत ही सुलभ हो गया है and it is well connected with the cities of the Europe and North America through air service. Now about the occupation of the Greenland. The main occupation means उनका जो main work है. So the main occupation of the people of Greenland is fishing. So fishing is their main work. They catch fish like cod, salmon, shrimp, halibut and wallfish on a large scale. So they catch this fish on a large scale. These fishes are salted, canned and exported to the other countries. So they export the fishes to the other countries. Vegetable farming and sheep grazing are also being followed in summer month in the southwest coastal region. So in the southwest coastal region, sheep grazing and vegetable farming are also being followed in the summer month. Then the main crops are hay, potatoes and other vegetable. These are the main crops of the. Now about the modern way of life. Many changes have taken place in the life of the Eskimos. बहुत सारे परिवर्तन हो गए हैं जो एस्किमोस लोगों के जीवन में बहुत सारे परिवर्तन हो गए हैं. Now they do not eat raw meat. Raw means कच्चा. Now they do not eat raw meat. Then they have learned the art of cooking. They have learned now how to cook. Then they get clean vegetable. They get good and clean vegetable and milk from other parts of the world. And education is compulsory for the children up to the age of 14 years. So education is compulsory. Education अनिवार्य हो गया है for the children, बच्चों के लिए up to the age of 14 years. जो children up to the age of 14 years मतलब 14 years के children उनके लिए education compulsory अनिवार्य हो गया है. Greenland is no longer isolated as it was. So how it was before? It was isolated. It is not like that now. Most people now live in pakka houses of wood and stone. So before they were living in the igloos which was made up of ice stone, and before they were living in tents which was made up of animal skin. So now they are not living in kacha house. They were living in pakka house which is made up of stone and wood. Now kayaks are being replaced by motorboats. Before they were using kayaks, small boats which is made up of steel, but now they use motorboats and guns, and rifles are replacing harpoons. So before they were using harpoons to catch the fish and seal, but now they are using rifles to catch the fish. And Greenland is developing rapidly with the help of the modern science and technology. So with the help of the modern science and technology, जो ग्रीनलैंड है बहुत ही फास्ट क्या कर रही है, डेवलप कर रही है. द स्प्रेड ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री हैज ड्रॉन द एस्किमोस इनटू द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. सो स्प्रेड ऑफ एजुकेशन, जो एजुकेशन का फैलाव है, और डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री, इंडस्ट्री का जो डेवलपमेंट है, दैट हैव ड्रॉन द एस्किमोस इनटू द modern world. So it brought the Eskimos into the modern world. So children, this is about the occupation and means of transportation and the modern way of life in the